What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. This is the floor headlight dimmer switch for the 1966 Plymouth Fury. And I'm sure this fits many other C-body Mopars from the mid-1960s. I just wanted to show you what it looks like in case you are needing one. Notice how the connectors, because there are many different types of these switches and some of these connectors are different, so make sure you see what you need to see. The issue was, sometimes when I had the high beams on, for no reason, the high beam lights would just flicker or go out for a brief second. But when I hit the switch and put them back to low beam, they would stay on forever. And if you saw my previous videos, I've already replaced the actual dash headlight switch. That was quite a fun ordeal. So see my previous videos on that. But this tells me that this switch is just old because I'm sure it's original. It is definitely made in USA. There's a few things about it there. There you go, made in USA, RPM registered. So this is an RPM headlight dimmer switch. But I noticed that in here it's a little bit sloppy, on the spade tabs. So I did tap them down a little bit. But the good thing is you can still get these at just about any common hardware or parts store, auto parts store. I'm going to probably go to Napa Auto Parts and get mine because they have one in stock. And that's always a plus. But I'll put a link down below where you can get it on Amazon. And I'll see if I can find out what other models this might fit. I believe DS112 is the trade name for this switch. So if you just Google your make and model, if it's a 65 or 66 or 67 Plymouth Fury, it's very likely that this will be the one for you. Anyway, these also fit tons of other brands, makes and models. So, if you're in a tight spot and you're just needing one quickly, just notice how the bolt pattern is on the outer perimeter of it and the type of connector it uses. Because they didn't really make tons of different ones, but they did make a couple of, 2 or 3 different ones for cars in this time frame. Anyway, that's it. Check out our other videos. There will be a thumbnail link that pops up at the end of this video, and you can also go to the description and see all kinds of links. You can see our eBay store, Amazon store, our social media pages. So check it out. 1966 Plymouth Fury 3 this is. And we got tons of videos on our channel about this car and tons of other cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, old cars, newer cars. You'll see. Just scan through our channel, like, subscribe, follow, and you'll be surprised at what you find. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.